Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is Sarcasm Detection application. We have created this web application using Streamlit platform. So this model will predict the outcome. Means you need to enter any random sentence and then it will predict whether the sentence contains sarcasm or not. So let's enter the sentence. I'll copy this. So we have entered the sentence. Now let's check whether it contains sarcasm or not. So it has predicted that it does not contain sarcasm. So it depends on the context of the sentence which the model is predicting. So for the complete accuracy, we need to give a larger data set in order to understand it more. If you want to get the source code for this file, here you can go in the file section and then click on app.py. So here is the source code for the project. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.